here's what you're going to need for the blueberry and green tea shake, which is only 100 calories. It's enough for one, and it makes an alternative breakfast. So you make the green tea overnight, and you leave it to chill in the fridge. 50 grams of blueberries, 2 tablespoonfuls of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoonful of almond, and 1 tablespoonful of flax seeds. So here we go, we're going to show you how to do it. So this is the blueberry and green tea shake. It's only 100 calories and it's from the 800 calorie diet. Now, this is enough for one, and it makes an alternative to tea or coffee or hot chocolate for breakfast time. So that's 200 milliliters of water with a green tea bag in it, which was made in about 5 minutes last night and has been cooling in the fridge overnight. Now, next up you need about 50 grams of blueberries. Now this is 125 grams, very cheap, the cheapest that you can buy in a supermarket. Use about half that. I tend to be a wee bit generous on the fruit. And then also you have Greek style yogurt. You need 2 tablespoons of Greek style yogurt. And then to top it all off, you need 1 tablespoonful of almonds and 1 tablespoonful of flaxseed. That's them mixed together. So what you do next is very simple. So what you do now is very simple. As I said, you wash the blueberries. There's about just over 50 grams in there. You want 2 tablespoonfuls of Greek yogurt. So bung that in there like that there. 1. 2. There's a wee drop left there, but that's enough to make a bircher tomorrow morning. So throw in the seeds, pop in the green tea. That's a tablespoonful of almonds and a tablespoonful of flax seeds. Pour in the green tea like that there. All right. This is one of these wee cheap grinders. You can get these very, very, very reasonable indeed. So you put that on, stick on the lid, put it on like this here, make sure it's sealed, and then you just blitz it. And you can sort of tell it when it's done, when the blueberries colour everything purple. The colour purple, I think that was a movie at one point. Was Oprah Winfrey in that years ago? So that is basically your blueberry and green tea shake. It's 100 calories. There's water in it. There's a tea bag that was made with overnight and then cooled in the fridge. There's 50 odd grams of blueberries, 2 teaspoons of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of almond, and 1 tablespoonful of flaxseed. Simple as that. And there you go. That's the finished result, and it doesn't taste too bad actually. You should try it yourself. I've been on the diet now for 12 days and I've lost a stone already, so it does work.